Aloha and welcome to Nourishment for Your Soul. I'm Miley Andrus-Price. We're making a fun recipe today. It's called mock mojitos and it's super easy, super quick, and very refreshing. It's the middle of July. I'm in Hawaii. It's hot. I'm sure it's hot where you are. So this is something that you can make in lickety split time and eat out on the patio and serve some of this. So very simple ingredients, 2 cups of packed fresh mint. So really pack the cup. You want as much mint in there as possible. And 5 to 6 limes, depending on how large they are. You want 3/4 to 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. You have 1.5 cups of sugar and 3 cups of water. And 6 cups of, you can use, I like to use tonic water, but you can use club soda, you can use 7-Up. My choice is tonic water. And you're gonna wanna have a nice clear glass pitcher so that you can enjoy the beauty of what you created. And make sure you save a few leaves of mint and a few slices of lime to go in so that it'll look really nice when you serve it. I would suggest you serve it outside. Also put it in nice glasses where you already have mint and a slice of lime so that you can be fancy and just totally enjoy the experience. All right, I brought 2 cups of water to a boil. Just gonna add the sugar. Mix it until it is dissolved. Just takes less than a minute. Then you're gonna put the mint in here and let it steep for 5 minutes. Okay, I ended up putting both those 2 bunches of mint that I had, and because I really smashed them in so it'd be 2 packed cups. If you want to shave another 5 minutes off of this, time-wise, you can just put them in. Just make sure you rinse them and put them in with the stems. There's a few stems in here. Usually I take most of the leaves off the stem, but yeah, just set it aside for 5 minutes. Let it do its magic. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. You're just gonna want to strain it, and then you're gonna wanna let it cool. Well, it takes maybe 10-15 minutes. All right, so the mint water is cooled. I'm just gonna add it to my pitcher. And this is where you add the other cup of water. I'm gonna add some ice in here before I add the tonic water. And I had some tonic water from before. So I'm gonna use that up first. And you add 4 cups, oh, I'm sorry, 6 cups. That's just under 4 cups. Let's not forget the lime juice. I'm just gonna barely have enough room for 2 more cups of this tonic water. I'm just gonna make it go to the top. All that good. And isn't it fun how you can see the mint in there with the lime? Yum! And I already have some ice in here. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And let's see the results. I want to mix that so that you can see the lime and the mint. Cheers to you. Oh, it's so good, especially on a hot day. I hope that you enjoy this recipe. And now for the nourishment part for your soul of this recipe. It's just a reminder to, even in simple recipes like this, as you are putting things together, take time to smell the lime. Enjoy it. See what it does to your tongue. Enjoy the color of the green, the color of the picture, the way it looks so beautiful like that. It's just a reminder to see the beauty that surrounds you every day. All you need to do is nana kamaka. Open your eyes and look. All right, take care. Till next time. Aloha.